recently asked you guys in a community poll what you would like to see for my next video, and more than half of you wanted to see another liquor tutorial of some sort. So I don't know if you noticed, but I'm actually not a beer enthusiast. No, it's true. It's actually Bourbon Manhattan. I know Manhattans are traditionally made with rye, but I tend to prefer bourbon. It's a little sweeter, it's kind of more vanilla-y, and I get all the spice I really want from the bitters, so I don't really care for the rye as much. So I'll use bourbon. So I'll start with my short glass, then I'll add some ice. I actually prefer my Manhattan on the rocks. It's just kind of a thing. There's something about the ritual of, you know, swirling the drink around the glass that kind of brings out the inner old white guy in me. You know, I just want to like sit in a big easy chair and participate in a highbrow conversation while adjusting my monocle. Quite. Something like that. So then I take my sweet vermouth, I add really just a little. I don't like too much of it. And one important thing, I keep my vermouth in the refrigerator between uses, and I use a small bottle. It is a wine and it won't last forever. Then I will add a bourbon that I like. I have Jim Beam Black Label, so I'll use a generous amount of that because I'm not driving anywhere. There we go. Oh, that's just right. And then a dash of cherry bitters. These got off of eBay one time, and they're very, very good. So dash, 2, there, that's good. And just give it a little stir. That's good. You never ever shake a Manhattan. And finally, the best part is the original Luxardo cherry. Like that. That's good stuff right there. They're a little expensive, but if you can get a hold of them, try it. It's real good. So then you put that. There you go. A little of the juice isn't a bad thing. Put that in there. There. And let's try it. Huh. So, keep being an old white guy. Probably not a good idea. But I don't have an outro. Bye.